everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be discussing 10 creative ways to use ChatGPT for your marketing strategy. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you streamline your marketing efforts and improve engagement with your audience. So, let us dive into the video and explore these 10 methods. 1. Personalized product recommendations. ChatGPT analyzes your customer data and provides personal product recommendations to your audience supported by their preferences, buying history, and browsing behavior. This can significantly boost your transition rates and enhance your customers' shopping experience. 2. Chatbots. Chatbots powered by ChatGPT can provide 24/7 client support and suffice frequent questions. Chatbots can also help you identify customer pain points and provide personalized solutions. 3. Content creation. ChatGPT can generate high-quality content for your website, social media channels, and email marketing campaigns. This can save you time and effort while ensuring your content is relevant and piquant to your audience. 4. Customer feedback analysis. ChatGPT can analyze customer feedback from varied channels such as social media, review sites, and surveys. This will help you place areas for amelioration and implement changes that will enhance customer satisfaction. 5. Chat-based gross revenue funnel. ChatGPT can guide your customers through a chat-based sales funnel, answering their questions and providing personalized recommendations to help them make a purchase. 6. Predictive analytics. ChatGPT can psychoanalyze customer data to predict future behavior, such as when they are most likely to make a purchase. This can help you optimize your merchandising campaigns and increase sales. 7. Gamification. ChatGPT can serve you to create gamification strategies that engage your audience and encourage them to participate in your selling campaigns. This can increase brand awareness and loyalty. 8. Lead generation. ChatGPT can help you generate leads by providing personalized recommendations and solutions to your audience's pain points. This will help you build a loyal customer base and step up revenue. 9. Automated email marketing. ChatGPT can also help you automate your email marketing campaigns by generating personalized content and analyzing client behavior. This can spare you time and effort while improving your email open and click-through rates. 10. Chat-based customer retention. ChatGPT can help you retain customers by providing personalized solutions and recommendations based on their feedback and behavior. This can heighten customer loyalty and increase your customers' lifetime value. That's it for today's video. We hope you found these 10 creative ways to use ChatGPT for your merchandising strategy helpful. Remember, ChatGPT is a right tool that can help you streamline your marketing efforts and improve participation with your audience. Please help us to know in the comments which of these strategies you are most excited to try. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button for more marketing tips and tricks.